I wanted to do a quick video on the fact that I see all of these things going around where, and conversations where people are talking about their internal customers. Well, um, eh, conversations that I hear could go something like this: I took care of my customer today. Who's your customer? Accounting? No. You only have one customer, and it's the one that pays your organization money. That's your customer. And again, this has grown. I just previously did a video that I'll put a link to above me with the card from YouTube. But um, yeah, the only customer you have is the one that pays you money. And most of the time when I see this, this is again a symptom of being an analytical thinking company. I break down the pieces, and if everybody does their job, um, then this person hands this off to this person, therefore that's their customer. And this is not even close to appropriate. The synthetic thinker, the effective executive, synthetic thinker is going to understand that there is one customer and that they need to understand that customer and act as one in the organization. They also understand that the people that are in the company, that are in departments or teams or even the individual, that they need to represent themselves as one. There's no blaming the person. Well, accounting didn't give it to me right. Customers hate that stuff. I mean, if you've ever been on the phone, you get passed from one department to the next, and the blame game begins. So your organization has to operate as synthetic thinkers, understanding the system, and that the customer only thinks of your organization as one thing, and that's the person that they're talking to. And if that person can't deliver end-to-end service, then you may have a design problem in your organization. But you only have one customer, and the people within your organization in those departments will benefit from understanding what that customer wants, even if they're in accounting or IT or whatever. Because just kind of wiping your hands clean and saying, well, I did my part, it certainly isn't going to bode well for your organization, and customers actually hate it. So stop the I have internal customers piece. Synthetic thinkers know that you're all one system.